So there's a very interesting tech that we're going to be showing you very quickly. And yes, as you can read, this is the Gen AI experiences with AI PCs is what you call it. And they're powered by the Intel Core Ultra processor. Now, what's the great thing about this that you have a CPU, you have a GPU, and now you have an MPU who will do most of the tasks so that the GPU and the CPU are free to do other things. So, well, what does it do? These are AI PCs and work basically on AI generated models. So, what do we have? We don't have an internet, we don't have a network, nothing to worry. So, the work that we usually do it when we have the internet, this one does it on its own minus the network. So, let's see what does it do. So, since it's an AI PC, let's go. Maybe an AI image generation is what I want. This is where we have. So I want an astronaut. This is the command where I'm giving a command. Okay. Riding a bike on the moon. So this is the text command that I've given since AI PC. Everything that's there is fed in here and it's generated by MPU. It's working at the back. I'll have the image ready for the text command that it's given. There you go. There's no network, you don't have to worry. There is no cloud here that's working. This is all AI PC that are powered by the Intel Core Ultra processor. And there you have the image. Say about in 50 seconds, if I say so, the image will be generated. You can see that an astronaut is riding on a bike on the moon. When now, how is it different from Gemini, if you may ask me? Well, you have a network, you have a cloud that's working there, but here everything is AI generated, and that's through the PC itself. So you don't have to be dependent on the network. If the internet's coming or not coming, you don't have to bother about that. And you have your results very quickly right there in front of you within seconds. So that's the magic of the AI PC that are powered by Intel Core processors here. And this is exactly the Gen AI experience that you will get to see.